The normal steps will be a verdict is entered, and then you have to get a final judgment, turning whatever that final verdict is into a judgment. That can be done the same day, or sometimes it can take weeks, even months, if you're fighting over what that number may be. In addition to that, there's going to be challenges from the defense to try to take the verdict away using different motion practice. That's going to take anywhere from a couple of weeks to maybe a couple of months, depending on when that can be heard by the judge. And then after the final judgment is entered, then there's a time period where the defendant has the ability to file a notice of appeal. They will do that. And then that starts the appellate process where they have to file their appellate briefing. The plaintiff would have to do it. That process can take years.